the PriceMatrix calculation. In ACES 1, you're now able to perform a PriceMatrix calculation based on the order lines of an arbitrary order. This means that you may configure the same model with different configurations, be that hinges, glass, or anything else of your choosing, and have a full PriceMatrix calculation based off of that. Upon entering the sales module, you may see that we in our example have 9 different models configured on this particular order. In order to set this order up for PriceMatrix calculations, we need to choose the setup for showing the PriceMatrix related columns. Now, you may start configuring the boundaries for various models. You determine your minimum width, your maximum width, your minimum height, your maximum height, and the intervals at which you want to calculate your PriceMatrix in terms of width and height. ACES 1 will help you validate that your boundaries are not inverted. When enabling this view, it is important to also ensure that editing has been enabled. Once your positions have all been configured to your liking, you may enter the drop-down menu, as so, and choose the option at the bottom, PriceMatrix Calculation. This option will now gather the information of all the positions and send them off to ACES Core for parallelized calculation. In order to give you an idea of the volume of your calculation, ACES 1 provides a report showing you the amount of necessary calculations to cover your boundaries with the provided intervals. As informed here, the resultant matrix will be available in the PriceMatrix service point in ACES Core. Once the calculations have been passed to ACES Core, you are free to use ACES 1 without any further hold-up. Now, moving into the matrix service point of ACES Core, we may navigate to the page of our calculations overview. Here, you can see the currently ongoing calculations, and as you may notice, former calculations made during our test for the same order but with various numbers of necessary calculations. Hitting the reload button will update the progress of our current ongoing PriceMatrix calculations. The 3 dots of the status column indicates an ongoing process, while the green check mark indicates a completed matrix calculation. Upon pressing the dots on the right, you may choose to download the result as a semicolon separated CSV file or as JSON files for more details. Hitting the reload button once more, we now find that our grand total of 6,069 calculations have finished, and we may now choose to download the results in our preferred format. Let's try the CSV format for starters. The result set is provided in a zip file and is organized by the positions of your order. So, if you're looking for the result of position 1, you choose the according number in your result set. In the result file, you have your width out your x-axis and your height down the y-axis. If any of the sizes are error-ridden for any particular reason, the resulting output will be 0. If we return to our overview, we may now instead try to download the result in JSON format. While yielding the same result for the calculations themselves as the CSV file, the JSON file provides more information in terms of list prices, messages, material costs, and more. This concludes the demonstration of a price matrix calculation. If you have any further questions, please do feel free to reach out.